This is your new Research Explorer, powered by EBSCO Discovery Service. It combines a modern user interface with the powerful research functionality that Discovery is known for. Begin by entering a keyword or phrase in the search box. Recommended search terms will automatically populate below. Publication titles matching your search terms may also appear. Choosing from the list will execute your search, or you can finish typing your term in the search box and click the magnifying glass to execute it. You can also apply quick filters directly below the search box before executing your search for a more targeted results list. Upon executing your search, you will be brought to the results list. At the top of your results list, you may see a publication placard that provides quick access to the publications in your collection that match your search terms. If there is a research starter for your search term, it will also appear at the top. Research starters provide a starting point for research and enhance the research experience by providing links to citable, authoritative summary articles. Below you will find your search results list. You can narrow your search results further with the filter options above the results list. Just click the All Filters button to display all options in a panel on the right. Select from the available filters and facets and click Apply Filters at the bottom to update your results. On your results list, select an article to read by choosing a full-text viewing option on the Access Options drop-down menu. When viewing a full-text PDF article, you'll see the download link in the upper right corner, which allows you to download the article to your computer for offline viewing. You have additional options to the right of the download button that include listening to the article via the text-to-speech tool with a headphone icon, which not only reads the article aloud in English, it also gives you the ability to control the volume, the playback speed, and also to download the audio to an MP3 file. You can also save the article with the flag icon. Access the citation tool with the quote icon, which gives you the ability to cite the article in 9 different citation formats. You can also export your citation to a tool of your choice. You can also create a project with the folder icon to store the article in a custom subfolder for access beyond your current session. You must have a personal MyEBSCO account in order to do so. All of your sharing options are available on the arrow icon, which include cloud options like Google and OneDrive, email, and accessing the persistent link. Note, however, the browser URL is also a persistent link. Lastly, you can also print the article with the printer icon in the upper right corner. To get back to the landing page of Research Explorer, you can either click the LaSalle University logo or New Search under the Research Tools section in the left panel. Both will bring you back to the landing page and clear your search. Note that you can access advanced search options with the Advanced Search button in the lower right corner below the basic search box. Advanced Search provides guided style search boxes that allow you to qualify your search using article citation field codes. It also allows you to combine multiple search terms using the Boolean operators and, or, and not. You can also apply pre-search limiters below before executing your search for a more targeted results list. Let's go back to the landing page. My dashboard is where your current research activity is stored, including any items you've saved, any searches you've conducted, and any items you've viewed. In order to save this information beyond your current session, you will have to sign in to your personal MyEBSCO account. You will find additional resources under Research Tools on the left panel. Let's take a look at the Publications link. The Publications link is your title-level searching tool. It allows you to search for a particular book, journal, magazine, or newspaper in your library's collection. You can search by title, ISSN, ISBN, author, subject, and publisher. You can browse publications by name using the alpha menus. You can also browse publications by available databases and browse publications by subject. To search for a title, enter it in the search box. The responsive autocomplete feature will provide titles matching your search terms. You can select from the list of suggestions or finish typing and click the magnifying glass to execute your search. You can also limit your search to journals only or books only with the options below the search box. On the results list, you can refine your results with options on the left. Click the View Details link to view details for a particular publication in your search results. Full text access options are provided below. Back on the landing page under Research Tools, you'll also find a link to the concept map. The concept map is a visual and interactive approach to conducting research. It provides an engaging way to discover and refine the topics related to your search terms. And it adds a semantic layer, enabling the use of natural language, which ultimately facilitates better discovery, making for new opportunities that researchers might not have experienced otherwise. To use the concept map, start by entering keywords in the search box and clicking the search button. Then click the concept map link in the left column. On the Discover Deeper Knowledge screen, select the context in which you would like to explore your topic in the concept map. Select Map to explore the concepts related to your search term dynamically. You can toggle between the interactive map and the grid view. You can interact with the concept map by clicking and dragging your pointer and by zooming in or out. Click the gear icon in the upper left corner to change the interface language. The Relationships option allows you to review related topics based on how they are related to your research. When you see a topic of interest, click it to get more information. If you select Explore Topic, that topic becomes the new focus of your research and the center point of your concept map. If you click Add to Search, it is then added to your search builder on the right side of your screen. You can add more topics to your search builder using the Boolean operators. You can click the Content Preview button to get a preview of your results list. When you are finished adding topics to your search builder, click See Full Results to execute your search back in Research Explorer. You'll see your search terms populated in the search box and your full results list below. Let's clear our search once again. Below the Research Tools section on the left, you'll have access to important resources specific to LaSalle University. Course Reserves gives you access to resources reserved by your instructors. You can conduct a search by course code, course name, by instructor, or by department. Below the search boxes are options to browse course reserves by department and by instructor. Back on the landing page, if you need materials that are not available at Connolly Library, the interlibrary loan link allows you to procure these resources from other libraries at no cost to you. And last but not least, back on the landing page, you can search Connolly Library's collection via the library catalog link in the lower left corner. To learn more about your Research Explorer, powered by EBSCO Discovery Service, visit EBSCO's support site at connect.ebsco.com.